Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to cut down the windshield on my Harley-Davidson Road King. If you've ever dealt with wind buffeting or unable to see over the windshield properly, this just could be the video for you. So let's dive right in. Okay, so what we have here, you're going to need a jigsaw with a fine-tooth blade, a marker, painter's tape, a tape measure, a piece of poster board for making a pattern, an X-Acto knife for cutting the poster board, some 220 grit sandpaper. I'm going to use my vibrator sander and some safety glasses. I had someone help me with this, and we didn't film it, but we marked it with blue tape, and I'm just going to double check the height before I cut. But we took a tape measure from the bottom of the windshield and used a level to get my line of sight just above the windshield. And I'm going to cut it at 17 inches. The clip where I marked the poster board was corrupt, so I had to eliminate that. But here I am using the X-Acto knife to cut the poster board, and basically I just took my marker and outlined the top of my windshield on the poster board as far as getting my curve. My poster board wasn't quite wide enough to cover the entire windshield, but I wasn't going to drive several miles into town to get a bigger poster board, so I'm just going to make do with this, and then I'll cut some extensions to finish the mark. I'm using the blue tape to cover both sides of the windshield to prevent the shavings when I'm cutting from sticking to the windshield, and to avoid scratches. I will fully cover both sides. I covered the rest of my bike real good. Here I am finding the center of the windshield and making my 17-inch mark. Now I will center and tape the pattern to the windshield and mark it with the marker. It may look crooked on the windshield, but I promise you it's straight. The wheel is turned at an angle and gives the illusion it's crooked. I'm taking my tape measure and measuring each side to make sure that it's centered. Now I've got these extra pieces for the cutout to finish marking my lines. Now for the fun part. Alright, here we go. Let's see how carefully I can follow these lines. The cut is done. Now I'll pull this tape off and get it ready to sand. Here I'm removing the windshield, and I'm going to take it over and sand it on my table. I'm using a fine grit sandpaper on my orbital sander to round off and make sure there are no sharp edges. With the windshield installed back on the motorcycle, I'm going to try it out and see. Now my camera was a little low and it gives the impression that it's still above my eyesight, but if the camera was up level with the windshield, you would see that my eyes are over the top of the windshield. All right, let's go check out this windshield. Okay, I think this is going to work. I think I've got it at just about the right height. If you've been thinking about doing this mod, it is easier than you think, and it does make a difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next ride.